How to use Google Keyword Planner like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up any browser, then search for Google Ads and open it up. After that, open up this Google Ads account, then click on this option of Tools and Settings at the top. Here you will find the option of Keyword Planner at the left hand side. Just click on it. Now click on this option of Discover New Keywords. Here you can either start with a website or keywords. In case if you want to start with a website, just pin any website over here and use their entire site or only single page, and after that you will be able to extract the important keywords of your competitors quite easily. And in case if you want to start with the keywords, then simply click on this option of start with keywords and type any keyword of your choice. Suppose you want the website development keywords, so we will just simply take example of website development keyword. So let me type website, and after that select the language that you want. The default language is English. You can select any other language too and select the area. Suppose I want to target the United States, so I will just select it over here, and we will also be able to see the reach that we will be getting from this particular country. So we can just simply click on save, and this way we want to search for this particular keyword in English language and in the United States. After that, you can add your website over here. In case if you want to narrow down the research, then click on get results and wait for it to load. It won't take much time, and this way you will be able to see all the keywords. We have a total of 642 keyword ideas, and in case if we want to refine any more, then we will just simply go on the right hand side panel of refine keywords. Here we can select different options. Suppose if I want to click on this option of services, I will go into the core areas like it was website development, so I will make sure that website development should be there. Other than that, I will just simply untick those boxes in order to just narrow down my search results. And after just narrowing down to my selected keywords, I will be able to download it and get them into an Excel sheet, and this way I will be able to get the exact words or the most important keywords for myself or for my use. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.